In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into Monday.com. We'll walk through the full process together, from starting the import to uploading your file, and finally making sure all your columns line up correctly. By the end, you'll have your Excel data neatly organized inside a brand new Monday.com board. First, let's start the import. In your Monday.com workspace, look over to the sidebar and find the plus icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where you create new items in your account. From the menu that appears, choose New from Board, and then select Import Data. This tells Monday.com that instead of building a blank board from scratch, you want to bring in information from another source. When the list of import options shows up, choose Excel. This is what allows Monday.com to read your spreadsheet and convert it into a board. Next, it's time to upload and map your file. In the import window, you can either click to browse for your Excel file or simply drag and drop it right into the upload area. After the file is uploaded, Monday.com will show you a preview of your spreadsheet. Here, you need to select your header row. The header row is the line that contains your column titles, like task name, owner, due date, or status. Make sure you're choosing the row that actually describes the columns, not a row of data. Once you've selected that, click Next. Now you'll choose which column should be used as the item name. The item name becomes the main title of each row in your new board, so pick the column that best represents what each row is about. For example, that might be a task name, a project title, or a client name. Select that column, then click Next again. Finally, let's match the columns. Monday.com will suggest column types based on the data it sees. Take a moment to verify this column mapping. Check that status columns are set to status, dates are set to date, numbers are set to numbers, and so on. This step is important because choosing the right column types makes your board easier to filter, sort, and automate later. If something doesn't look right, adjust the type before continuing. Once everything looks good and your columns are properly mapped, click Create Board. Monday.com will build a new board from your Excel file, and your data is now ready to use inside the platform.